Hello friends, today is June 2nd, 2022. I'm happy to show you the update on the project we did around the mailbox. This lavender is a perennial plant. They are very drought tolerant. They survive our winter too. Let's wiggle through the roots to loosen up the roots. They like sandy soil, so we can add some sand also into the soil. We are done planting both the lavenders. We already had this lamb's ear over here and we saved that. And this is a vining plant which is clematis. You can always plant one next to the mailbox. Any type of vining plant. So they can climb into the mailbox. I'm going to put white stones over the soil. So we are going to put the weed barrier first. This weed barrier is actually water permeable. We also planted a lamb's ear. They are in bloom too. They are called lamb's ear because their leaves are very soft and feathery like lamb's ear. We have a clematis also climbing over the mailbox post. It's done blooming. It had violet flowers.